So for those of you with an 8th Gen Civic or equivalent CRV, probably a few other Honda models with this particular nav unit, uh, who are wondering, how do I delete everything out of there? Because, maybe you're going to sell your car or whatever, and you don't want whoever's buying it to have all your contacts and other good stuff on there. Here's how to do it. First, turn the car on. I just turned it to the first position. You don't actually have to start it. You get your startup screen. Then you get the disclaimer. Hit OK. Map pops up. So now what you're going to do, you're going to hit Map, Menu, and Cancel. And you're going to hold those for about 3 or 4 seconds. Then this screen pops up. Then you're going to do Unit Check. Then you do Nav ECU. Then you get this screen and it goes self-test. Once that's done, you hit Memory Clear. And it'll ask you, do you want to clear the SRAM memory? I'm not sure what that stands for, but hit yes. Keep in mind, there's no going back. So once you've hit yes, it's all done. Then it boots itself up again. We get the disclaimer again. You can hit OK if you want to. Comes up with this particular location. I think that's Honda's factory or something. If you give it a minute though, it'll go to there you go. See, it goes to the correct location. So I don't know, one of these days I'll have to try to figure out what that thing is that it's showing at first. But anyway, there you go. All your breadcrumbs and those little white dots that it shows when you're driving on somewhere that's not a road. All those will be gone. All your saved addresses, your history, everything, it's all wiped out now, and it is back to the same configuration it was in when you first bought it, in my case 11 years ago. Hope you found that useful.